It was another great year as Kedi Healthcare Industries Nigeria Limited celebrates a Kedi 2018 Car Award and gift presentation. It was usually held once in 2 years by rewarding the hard-working distributors. This year, 2018 Car Award was held at the Chida International Hotel, Utako, Abuja on 23rd June 2018. And the theme of this year's Car Award is We Make It Happen. Mr. William Zhao, the founder of Kedi, came out to give a speech.
我再一次代表科迪企业向你们表示深深的敬意，向支持科技发展的尼日利亚及各国政府表示衷心的感谢。
I would like to send you my sincere regards once again to thank the Nigerian government and governments of other African countries that supported the development of Kedi.
Also, Mr. Sonny Ojiako gave an opening speech.
We are proud to celebrate ourselves in the reward for hard work. We congratulate all awardees in various categories and wish you all a fantastic celebration.
The former governor of Kaduna State, Alhaji Mukhtar Ramalan Yero, gave a brief speech.
We give gratitude to God Almighty Allah for sparing our lives and making it possible for all of us to be here in order to celebrate Kedi for 12 years anniversary and also the Car Award. On behalf of myself and my family, I would like to sincerely welcome Mr. Williams to Nigeria and also sincerely thank Kedi family for what they have been doing to Nigeria.
Those in the gallery in front of me, can I see your flags, please? Just raise, just raise it up, thank you. Just raise it up. Those over here, please raise your flag. Thank you. Everybody, now we are going to wave the flag. 1, 2, go. Let's wave. Let's wave, let's wave, let's wave. To our distributors, thank you so much. Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Burkina Faso. Ghana, thank you so much.
There were lots of entertainment, the Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa cultural dances. The introduction of the Moscow cap by Miss Doris.
You see, this is a capsule form structure and it's in Kedi's color, yellow and blue.
Yeah. Kedi. Can you hear me? Kedi.
Kedi, my little advice to the service center owners is sincerity. If you have sincerity and friendly to your customers and your downlines, I think you move further. Thank you, Kedi Healthcare.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Kedi, I was just doing my job as a regional manager. I wasn't looking for anything. I wasn't trying to impress anybody. I was just sincerely, from all my heart, doing my job. I didn't know that the management of this company was somewhere watching me.
Each zone came out with their banner to discuss their state.
All right, Ikeja, Lagos.
Kedi! If you are alive, I want to hear you make a noise. Kedi!
Forget all the noise. If you minus Port Harcourt, no more to go drive, come here. We are the oil city, the oil magnets, the oil dealers, and the best sellers and marketers of Kedi Healthcare products in Nigeria.
The President, Mr. William Zhao, waving the Kedi Healthcare Industries flag and officially presenting the flag to the branch managers of Abuja, Yola, and Apapa training centers. Please, let's appreciate, let's put our hands together. Kedi is growing, we are moving forward.
Mr. William Zhao donated money to the Science Government School, Abuja, and the school management also appreciate him by giving him a gift.
William Zhao, who will be doing the presentation of the donation, 1 million naira. Now put the cap. This is the new principal of Government Science and Technical College, Abuja. Alhaji William Zhao.
Kedi is good. Network marketing is sweet.
The man whom I met in the course of doing this business, and my life changed.
They heal my sickness. I go do and well, even a new house. Oh yes. Woo! Kedi has total joy.
I can see that Kedi has proven one thing, that there's a direct relationship, a nexus between hard work and reward. All these people did not get here by just dreaming it. They worked very hard at it.
Then the cutting of the anniversary cake.
Cut the cake, and the cake has been cut.
The awardees also came out to appreciate the management of Kedi Healthcare.
Sonny is not here by accident. Sonny is here because Sonny is working. If Sonny is not in Meduguri, it's in Kano, it's in Aba, it's in Onitsha, it's in Lagos. It's a business you have to dedicate yourself.
And I want to recommend to all of you, and that is the product I use all the time. And that product is fit for kings and is called Kedi Royal Gel.
Ladies and gentlemen, our best 20 service center for the year 2018.
Best Service Center of the Year Award, SC331 Ethoma Felicitas John.
Kedi, my best business partner. Thank you very much.
To let you know, marketing company is the best in Africa and will continue to do the best. Thank you.
In case you don't know, the host of this year's Star Award is a Northerners. One North.
Wow. Kedi.
The partner we trust.
Please put your hands together for Kedi in Kedi way. From the north, we have given Mr. William a chieftaincy in Kedi way.
Kedi remains the partner you can trust.
Before I even won that car, within 1 year, I bought the car of my choice in Kedi Healthcare with Kedi money.
Honestly speaking, what I have to say about Kedi is that they are making the world a better place.
I praise the founder of Kedi. I pray to him that God should actually increase his strength, increase his age, actually make it that every energy, everything that he needs to grow in his life, God will actually give it to him.
Mr. William Sao is a great man that God specifically designed to come and impact lives, and exactly that he's doing now in Nigeria and as Africa and in Africa as a whole.
If there's anybody that wants to prosper, to be healthy, it's for the person to join Kedi.
If you are a dreamer, the Kedi is here for you.
That this is a new industry that has been turning people's life to something they would have or they have been dreaming about for a long time.
Let's wave our touches to our Star 8 direct to us, car. Awadis, our Star 8 car, Awadis. That's it, that's it, that's it. Get out your touches and wave it.
I just they celebrate. Everything I do, we just they penetrate. I just want to say, oh, thank you, Jehovah. See, I'm living large, I get angels so from my ghetto. Never forget where I come from, not from ghetto. Oh, no, 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 no.